Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk through Number Go Up, Inside Crypto's Wild Rise and Staggering Fall by Zeke Faux, published in 2023. The book is a gripping exploration of the world of cryptocurrencies, taking readers on a roller coaster journey through the highs and lows of the crypto market. It delves into the fascinating stories behind some of the most influential figures and controversial projects in the industry, shedding light on the inner workings and potential risks of this rapidly evolving market. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a skeptic, this book will leave you captivated and informed about the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. The story begins with the author's skeptical view of cryptocurrencies and their seemingly irrational rise in value. However, this skepticism is quickly challenged when a friend's investment in Dogecoin proves to be highly profitable. This sets the stage for the author's deep dive into the world of cryptocurrencies as they attempt to uncover the truth behind Tether, one of the largest stablecoins in the market. At a crypto conference in Miami, Faux was introduced to the fervent optimism surrounding Bitcoin and its potential to revolutionize the financial world. The conference serves as a catalyst for his investigation into Tether, as they interview various individuals involved in the controversial cryptocurrency. From Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, to Alex Mashinsky, the founder of Celsius Network, the author uncovers the intricate web of connections and potential red flags surrounding Tether. The book also explores the colorful past of Brock Pierce, a former child actor turned crypto entrepreneur, and his role in the creation of Tether. From his early Hollywood career to his involvement in online gaming and virtual currencies, Pierce's story adds a layer of intrigue to the narrative. The origins and growth of Tether are also examined, with emphasis on its connection to Mastercoin and the challenges it faced due to its potential for facilitating money laundering. The text provides insight into the conflict between Tether's co-founders, Giancarlo Devasini and William Betts, and the potential risks associated with Tether's backing. As the author continues their investigation, they encounter Nate Anderson, a short seller offering a substantial reward for information on Tether's backing. The ethical implications of accepting the reward are pondered, and the potential systemic risk posed by Tether is explored. The book also delves into the rise of Sam Bankman-Fried and his cryptocurrency exchange, FTX. Bankman-Fried's utilitarian philosophy and dedication to making money for charitable purposes come under scrutiny, raising questions about the ethics of his approach. The story takes a dark turn with the discussion of the Bitfinex hack and the involvement of Heather Morgan, aka Razelhan, and her husband Dutch Lichtenstein. The stolen bitcoins from the hack and their subsequent arrest highlight the vulnerabilities and risks within the crypto system. The book also explores the world of DeFi, decentralized finance, and the rise and fall of the game Axie Infinity. Players in the game earned real money, highlighting the potential of cryptocurrencies for employment and financial gain. The author also confronts the lack of regulation in the crypto industry and the potential dangers posed by scams, insider trading, and market manipulation. The captivating narrative and in-depth investigation provide readers with a comprehensive understanding of the wild world of cryptocurrencies. The book introduces the story of Quigan and Ryan, a struggling couple living in a Filipino informal settlement. Desperate to improve their financial situation, they invest in Axie Infinity, a blockchain-based game, hoping it will bring them prosperity. However, as the price of in-game items plummets, their earnings dwindle, and they face arguments and uncertainty about whether to continue or cut their losses. Despite the challenges, Quigan remains optimistic, holding on to hope that their investment will eventually pay off. This tale sets the stage for Faux's examination of the prevalence of falsehoods and scams in the cryptocurrency industry. He attended a conference hosted by Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, and was dismayed by the lack of critical thinking and the promotion of crypto gambling. Influential figures like Katy Perry and Bill Clinton cheerfully promote cryptocurrency without fully understanding its risks. The author begins to question the legitimacy of the industry and its potential to truly help regular people. The book goes on to expose the rampant scams and fraudulent activities that plague the cryptocurrency industry. Faux delves into the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, unique digital assets that gained popularity in the crypto world. He explores the hype surrounding NFT collections like the Bored Ape Yacht Club, where cartoon images of apes fetched exorbitant prices. However, he also highlights the risks involved, with some individuals losing significant amounts of money due to theft or price crashes. Foe further investigates the process of acquiring NFTs on an NFT marketplace using cryptocurrency, specifically Ether. He describes the steps involved in purchasing Ether through Coinbase and transferring it to a digital wallet app. However, challenges arise in viewing and proving ownership of the NFT, raising concerns about the transparency and security of the NFT market. The narrative delves into the rise and fall of various companies and stablecoins in the crypto industry. The collapse of Terra Luna, a crypto company, and the decline in confidence in Tether, a controversial stablecoin, send shockwaves through the industry. Companies like Celsius and Gemini are also affected by the crypto credit crisis, leaving customers in despair as they discover their supposedly low-risk accounts were used for risky investments. The book takes a darker turn as the author introduces the world of crypto scams. The protagonist encounters a scammer named Vicky, who poses as a Bitcoin expert and attempts to swindle them. Foe explores the prevalence of these scams and their devastating consequences, highlighting Tether's role in facilitating money movement for scammers. He uncovers the existence of scam compounds in Cambodia, controlled by Chinese mobsters, where victims are forced to pose as scammers and endure abuse. The author interviews survivors and exposes the scale of the problem, pointing out the role of crypto in enabling such exploitative activities. The narrative continues with the narrator's pursuit of a lost Tether scam. They seek help from Sanders, a man known for tracking lost money, and a Vietnamese hacker named Go Min Hue. The investigation leads them to uncover the operation of scam compounds and the complicity of Cambodian authorities. The narrator's encounters with victims and their stories of abuse shed light on the horrors of the crypto-fueled human trafficking industry. The book then shifts focus to the story of Thuy, a Vietnamese man who was trapped in a scam compound and eventually freed with the help of a Vietnamese YouTuber. Foe follows the YouTuber's journey in exposing human trafficking in crypto scams, interviewing victims, and investigating the complicity of authorities. He visits scam compounds and discusses the challenges of investigating crypto-related crimes. The narrative takes readers to Boker, a mountain hideout for human traffickers, and Sihanoukville's Chinatown, where abandoned casinos became scam operations. The book details the cover-up by Cambodian authorities and explores El Salvador's embrace of Bitcoin as a national currency. Skepticism surrounds the government's efforts to incentivize Bitcoin adoption, with little evidence of its widespread use. In an attempt to understand the implications of Bitcoin in El Salvador, the author travels to Lugano, Switzerland, where Bitcoin is purportedly widely accepted. However, their search for Tether's office and co-founder remains fruitless, raising further questions about the company's legitimacy. The book reaches its climax with the devastating downfall of Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX. The company faces a mass exodus of investors, investigations by regulators, and mounting debts. Bankman-Fried's attempts to save the company fail, and FTX eventually files for bankruptcy. Foe interviewed Bankman-Fried, uncovering the financial mismanagement and questionable decisions that led to FTX's collapse. The role of Tether and allegations of fraud within FTX come to the forefront, leaving readers questioning the true intentions of industry leaders. Overall, Number Go Up, Inside Crypto's Wild Rise and Staggering Fall, offers a cautionary tale of the cryptocurrency industry's unchecked growth and its disastrous consequences. The book serves as a wake-up call to the potential dangers of investing in a volatile and unpredictable market. It emphasizes the importance of skepticism, due diligence, and critical thinking in navigating the world of cryptocurrencies. While crypto may hold promises of financial freedom and prosperity, the risks and pitfalls should not be taken lightly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'll see you in the next video.